Hey everyone, welcome back to Universal Wealth Official, your go-to channel for AI-powered faceless YouTube automation and the smartest online income strategies. Watch this full video to see what you will learn and how easy AI makes it to pick a niche, do keyword research with AI tools, create faceless scripts with AI, turn text into video, and many more secrets. If you've ever wondered how to make money online using AI without spending a cent upfront, then stay with me. Because in this video, I'm breaking it all down, step by step. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end because the final strategy we cover could completely change your life. But before we dive in, if you want to shortcut your success and get access to a proven system, check out the affiliate links in the description, including Tube Mastery by Matt Parr, and powerful tools like Pictory and VidIQ to help you succeed faster. Let's get into it. Let's start with this. Why AI? Artificial intelligence has opened doors like never before. You don't need to be a coder, a designer, or even have experience in video production. With AI tools available today, anyone, yes, anyone, can start a faceless YouTube channel, automate the entire process, and begin monetizing content with zero upfront investment. But how exactly does it work? Let me walk you through it, step by step. Step 1, pick a niche you actually care about. This is where most people go wrong. They chase what's trending. But AI content still needs direction. Are you into tech, personal finance, self-development, true crime? Choose something you can stick with. Pro tip, pick a niche that overlaps with your interests and has strong ad revenue. Think make money online, productivity, AI tools, or cryptocurrency. Why does this matter? Because once your content starts ranking, platforms like YouTube reward niche consistency, and viewers do too. Step 2, keyword research with AI tools. Enter VidIQ and ChatGPT. Start by using ChatGPT to brainstorm long-tail keywords around your niche. For example, if your niche is AI automation, you might ask, give me 10 long-tail keywords people search on YouTube about making money with AI. Then head over to VidIQ. Use their keyword tool to evaluate which of those keywords have low competition and decent search volume. Remember, this is the foundation of your channel. Get the keywords right, and everything that follows will be 10x easier. Step 3. Create faceless scripts using AI. Now that you know your niche and target keywords, it's time to create your content. This video, for example, the entire script can be generated and refined using ChatGPT. Simply provide your keywords, structure, e.g. top 10 list or how-to guide, and let AI do the heavy lifting. But here's the key, always personalize and add value. Don't just use AI as is. Structure the script to spark curiosity, answer specific questions, guide the viewer toward a clear CTA. That's how you stand out. Step 4. Turn text into video with Pictory. Now that your script is ready, let's convert it into a stunning professional video. Without showing your face, head over to Pictory.ai. Upload your script, and the platform will automatically generate stock visuals, animations, and even background music to match your narration. Choose a professional voiceover, or upload your own if you want to add a personal touch. In just minutes, you've got a ready-to-upload YouTube video. Step 5. Optimize your uploads for search. Let's not skip this step. It's crucial. Use VidIQ or TubeBuddy to craft SEO-optimized titles, tags, and descriptions. Include your main keyword in the video title, front-loaded, the first 2 lines of your description, and at least 5 to 10 tags. And don't forget the thumbnail. That's your click magnet. AI tools like Canva or Leonardo.ai can help you create custom thumbnails that pop. Step 6. Leverage affiliate marketing from day 1. Now that your video is live, how do you make money? Simple, affiliate links. Join programs like Matt Parr's Tube Mastery, perfect for people who want a proven faceless YouTube system. VidIQ Pro, you're already using it, so recommend it. Pictory.ai, again, recommend what you're using. You'll earn a commission every time someone signs up through your link. And when your channel grows, that's recurring passive income. If you want instant access to all 3 tools I use, they're linked below. These aren't just tools, they're your shortcut to faceless YouTube success. Step 7. Be consistent for 30 days. AI makes it easy. Here's the thing. Most creators quit after 2 videos. That's why they don't see results. With AI, your production time goes from 8 hours per video to under 60 minutes. So here's your challenge. Upload 3 AI-generated videos per week for the next 30 days. That's 12 videos in 1 month. What can that get you? Channel eligibility for monetization. 1,000 subs plus 4,000 watch hours. Dozens of affiliate clicks. Your first $100 in passive income. And once momentum kicks in, you scale. Step 8. Scale with automation and smart agents. Now it's time to go from side hustle to system. Use smart AI agents to automate uploading and scheduling, track analytics, and A/B test thumbnails. Repurpose content for shorts and TikTok tools like Zapier, Pictory, and even YouTube's own scheduling features make this easy. You can even train AI to identify your best performing content and double down. Step 9. Stack income streams. Don't stop at YouTube AdSense and affiliate marketing. Use your channel to build an email list. Offer a free checklist or template. A digital product, e.g., mini course on how to start an AI channel. Sponsorship deals. AI doesn't just help you create. It helps you monetize smarter. Step 10. Never rely on one platform. Last but not least, be platform agnostic. Once your YouTube system is running, repurpose that same content. Turn your script into a blog. ChatGPT can help. Convert your tips into carousels for Instagram or LinkedIn. Chop your videos into shorts for TikTok and Reels. This maximizes reach and income potential with minimal extra effort. There's never been a better time to start making money online with AI. You don't need capital. You don't need experience. You just need consistency and the right tools. So if you're ready to begin, check out the links below for Tube Mastery, VidIQ, and Pictory. These tools changed my journey, and they can change yours too. If you found value in this video, subscribe and hit the bell. Let's build something powerful together. Until next time, stay curious, stay consistent, and stay creating.